In this video, we're going to show you how to add an FAQ section to your website. So you're going to go into your control panel for your website. You're going to click this Manage button here. So it'll give you some options. We're going to click Add a New Page. You can call that FAQs. And then you just click this button here. So we don't have anything there in this new FAQ page. It's saying it's empty. So you just want to go back to your site design options, and it's going to ask you to add a new section. It'll take you to this window here, and the easiest way to find the FAQ section, which is an accordion type section where you can input your questions and answer, is either to scroll down. So you can scroll up or down on here using this, or if you click on text, you'll find it here. So you're going to click that. And it's going to bring you back to your FAQ section, and this is really where you can add your questions and answer to your website. So it's really important to have an FAQ section on the site. It cuts down on people having to call you or your customers having to call you, and it creates frequently asked questions and situation. And as your business grows and more questions come up, then you can add that to your website. So if you wanted to, for example, these are all defaulted here, but if you wanted to add your own questions, you would just click this edit button, and then you would type in there whatever your question was. So maybe how long until a product is shipped, and then in here you would highlight it. You would highlight it there and say our products ships within two business days after ordering, or whatever the case is. Any case, you can develop this FAQ. You can edit what's already there and add your own, or you can add more, and as you go, more questions come. You just keep adding until you have a comprehensive FAQ section. It's really that simple, and it's enables you to have a voice on your website even when you are not there. We'll see you on the next video, guys.